What's going on, everybody? It's your boy Chef Chulo. Today, we're gonna make octopus salad, Puerto Rican style, Spanish style. This is gonna be great. I actually was going through my Instagram photos and I said, you know what? I haven't had octopus salad in a long time. Let me go ahead and try that out. Excuse me in my video if you see me kind of like towards my right side. This morning I woke up with a little kink on my right side. You know, when you're getting old and there's this crazy psychotic weather in Jersey, I woke up, I was like, oh my God, what's going on? My back, my knees, my back. Listen, this is why I need to eat, to make me happy. And it helps me heal. It helps everyone heal. We're gonna do that. So, I'm excited. Okay, we're gonna go back to this. Now, you want to boil, I would say 3/4 of a pot. Large pot, because this is a big octopus. No, not that big. It's only like 4 pounds. Now, I was looking for cheap prices, but you want to add basil leaves into the water. 2 or 3 basil leaves while you're boiling the water, because it's gonna, as the octopus is tenderizing, it's gonna get some flavors from the basil leaves. It's really good. Good idea. Red wine vinegar. Make sure you have red wine vinegar. That's gonna give it a nice little kick. Cracked black pepper. We're gonna use oregano. Also, we're gonna use green olives. These are already sliced and pitted. I don't have that much in here. Usually you would use about 1/4 or half. I don't, whatever I have left in here is what I'm gonna use. And then you wanna use olive oil. Also, normally I would do this with green. Back. I would normally do this with a lime, but I forgot to pick some up at the store. So we're gonna use lemon instead. This is what I had readily available. Now, here is the trick to cooking octopus. When you put the octopus in the pot of water, you don't want to just throw it in there and then start cooking it. You want to dunk it a couple of times, at least 2 or 3 times, to get the tentacles to curl, and then you put it in. So what we're also gonna add on to the octopus salad is crab meat. This is imitation crab meat. These are the sushi sticks. So you can pick this up in any supermarket. Walmart probably has them. I don't know about the local bodegas, but supermarket would have them. Also, here's the good stuff. We are going to have red onions. This is 1 red onion. We're going to have a half of red pepper. We're going to have 1 whole tomato, chopped up just like you see. We also have it's hard to see there because it's next to the cilantro. But I also have a half of green pepper, and then we have a half a bunch of cilantro. I would say probably like 1.5 cups of cilantro chopped up. Pretty good. We're gonna set this aside while the octopus is cooking. I'm gonna start shredding up the crab meat. Very simple. Once the octopus is cooked, once again, you put it all together, 5 minutes. That's it, 5-10 minutes. You want to let it sit overnight to let it marinate with the red wine vinegar and all the other seasonings. It's great, but big boy over here can't wait. I gotta eat, so we're gonna show you that later on. All right, so we'll be right back once the octopus is done. See, as you can see, once again, there are basil leaves that are in the water, and the octopus is already cooking. This is going to take a little bit. Once again, we're going to cook this for about 1.5 hours because this is a 4-pound octopus. And then we're going to come back and I'm going to show you the other ingredients that we're going to use. right, now that our octopus is completely cut up, this is okay. So it says it's 4 pounds. I think it was 4 pounds frozen with water, because little thing was like, it went from this to like, we all know, everybody who has cooked octopus understands what I'm saying. It was like this. What happened to the whole octopus? The octopus was like this big. Tentacles was all long. This is what it made. A full bowl of octopus. Alright, well, the octopus salad is done. Look at that, people. Oh. And we are going to try it. This is what makes me happy. Oh, where you going? Come back over here. I'm trying to get away from it. This is some good octopus salad, I tell you right now, people. You have to try this recipe. Once again, thank you so much for watching my channel. Thank you for this recipe. If you have any other recipes you want me to try, you'll be more than welcome to add them to my comments. Let me know. Thank you so much, everyone. Please make sure you like, share, subscribe, hit the little notification on your left-hand side, and we will inform you when I have new videos posted. Stay humbled, stay safe, stay blessed. Namaste.